If you're purchasing a rural property that relies on a private well for its water supply, it's essential to ensure that the water is safe and of good quality for consumption. That's why conducting a well water test is so important. In this video, we'll discuss the importance of a well water test and what to expect during a well water inspection. We'll also be talking about the common contaminants found in well water, the cost of a well water inspection, and why including a well water inspection clause in your purchase agreement is crucial. Let's dive in. My name is Roch St-Georges. I'm a real estate broker in Ottawa. I help families and individuals with the purchase, sale, or rental of real estate in our city. Doing a well water test when buying rural properties is essential to ensure the safety and quality of the drinking water. Unlike urban areas where municipal water treatment facilities ensure safe drinking water, rural properties often rely on private wells for their water supply. Without proper testing, it's impossible to know if the water is safe for consumption, and contamination can lead to serious health issues. Some of the common contaminants found in well water include bacteria, viruses, parasites, heavy metals, not that type, pesticides, and nitrates. These contaminants can cause illnesses such as diarrhea, vomiting, stomach cramps, and in severe cases, kidney damage or cancer. Now, well water tests will provide information on the quality and quantity of water available, as well as identify any contaminants that may be present. This information can help buyers make an informed decision about whether the property is suitable for their needs and if any water treatment system or repairs are needed. Around Ottawa, we generally come across three types of water wells. These are dug wells. Dug wells are shallow wells that are typically excavated by hand or using a backhoe. Dug wells are usually lined with stones or bricks and can range in depth from a few feet to about 30 feet. Now there's artesian well. These are drilled wells that tap into the confined aquifer that is under pressure, causing the water to flow to the surface without the need of a pump. Artesian wells are typically deeper and can provide a reliable source of water even during drought conditions. Finally, the more common one being the drilled well. These are similar to bored wells but are typically deeper and larger in diameter. Drill wells are constructed by drilling a hole into the ground using a drill rig and can range in depth from 100 to 1,000 feet or more. We always recommend a buyer include a well water inspection clause when buying a property that is serviced by a well. You'll also want to discuss with your mortgage broker or bank representative. As buyers who are buying a property and obtaining a mortgage, it may be required to obtain a water test to confirm clean drinking water for the loan to be advanced. If you're conducting a well water inspection, you'll call upon a professional who specializes in well water inspections. The inspection generally includes the following items. Water level measurement. The inspector will typically measure the depth of the water in the well to determine the water level. This information is important in determining the quantity and quality of the water available. Second, water flow rate measurement. The inspector will measure the flow rate of the water from the well to determine how quickly the water replenishes. This information is essential in determining if the well can provide enough water to meet the needs of the property. Third, water quality testing. The inspector will test the water for various contaminants, including bacteria, viruses, parasites, heavy metals, pesticides, and nitrates to ensure that the water is safe for consumption. Moving inside the house, final part of the inspection includes checking the interior water filtration system. The inspector will examine any interior water filtration systems currently on site, such as softeners, carbon filters, or reverse osmosis systems to ensure that they are good condition and function properly. He'll also be checking the well pump. He'll inspect the pump to ensure that it's working efficiently and effectively. This involves checking the pressure tank, pressure switch, and other components to ensure that they are in good working order. Finally, outside, he'll be checking the casing of the well. The inspector will examine the well casing to ensure that it's in good condition and properly sealed to prevent contamination. Oftentimes, there's other infrastructure to inspect. The inspector may also examine other components of the well and surrounding infrastructure, such as a well cap, the discharge pipe, any electrical connections to ensure that they are good, once again, in good condition. Now, most common question I get is, what is the cost of the well water inspection? Just note that the cost does vary. If you require additional water tests, it may bump up the price. But I would say the typical range would be between $540 and $650, and that includes a water test. A good and experienced water inspector may even have a general idea of what type of water quality the house will have even before the inspection starts, simply based on location. In summary, a well water test is crucial when buying rural properties to ensure the safety, quality of the water supply, and avoid potential health risk. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. If you know someone is looking to buy or sell real estate in the coming months, be sure to share the video with them. And finally, if you want to discuss the sell or purchase of a property, feel free to reach out to me using the information on the screen. Thank you so much. Merci. Ciao.